You're not coming in.
Why not?
Just go on the FAA website.
How come I'm not coming in?
The FAA isn't here.
Farr.
So your people.
Farr, I'm gonna be real clear about this.
The building's not closed, so he can come into the federal facility.
Farr, I am gonna come inside. I'm absolutely going through that.
Good for you.
Let's get that process on, okay?
No.
Farr, I'm gonna make this real clear to you. Are you gonna deny me access or not?
All right. What are you? Are you my dad?
I'm going in my building. It's mine.
Yeah. Who's your escort?
I don't really care. You can find whoever you want. Find the janitor. Whether you're gonna deny me access to my building or you're gonna let me inside, you need to figure it out, Farr.
Let me get this straight. You're telling me what I need to do?
Yeah, absolutely. You need to stay in your lane.
You really do, Farr.
Okay, that's a federal officer, and this is going to get real interesting. Every American who cares about freedom needs to see this video because, frankly, every federal, state, and local agent, every military man or woman who drops the hammer of tyranny down on their fellow Americans like they did after Katrina and like they do every single day around the country, needs to be on the side of liberty if we're going to get out from under the oppressive boot of federalized tyranny. This is Michael, badge number 1523. He's part of the Department of Homeland Security's Federal Protective Services Unit. This is Farr, a federal security officer contracted by his employer, MaxSent Security Services, who derives an income from the American tax cattle. Subcontracted or not, it's Farr's job to serve the American people, not talk down to them, not get smart with them, and certainly not to bar access to publicly accessible areas. This footage is brought to us by a rising force to be reckoned with in the First Amendment auditing space, Inland Auditing Media. Steve from Inland Auditing Media just had a cordial conversation with Michael, badge number 1523, whom he had a previously positive interaction with in Portland. Now they're walking into the Federal Aviation Administration building where they encounter Checkpoint Charlie. Well, in this case, Checkpoint Farr. See if you can spot who cares about the rights of Americans in this situation more, Farr or Michael.
Well, thank you. That's the problem. I mean, look at the way the federal courthouse is shut down. Oh, sure. So I need to see if I can get a PRO, or I can go through, it's fine, but I just need to get a FOIA document if I could.
That's fine. Yeah, we just need to see if we can get him what he needs.
Just go on the FAA website. You're not coming in.
Why not?
Just go on the FAA website.
How come I'm not coming in?
Because who are you here to see?
I'm here to do a Freedom of Information Act request.
Who are you here to see them?
Whoever the PRO is.
Public relations
Well,
officer.
see, here's the problem.
Sure, go ahead.
The FAA isn't here. They're only here for appointments. So did you see our parking lot, how full it was?
Farr.
So your people.
Farr, I'm gonna be real clear about this, Chief Farr.
He can come to the federal building and conduct business.
There's no one here to see him.
That's
It's
fine.
appointment only.
So all we have to do is let him know that, right? Hey, the people you're wanting to see here, give them a number, give them a contact, something like that. But there's nothing out here that says that this building's closed to appointments only.
I understand.
So the building's not closed, so he can come into the federal facility.
There's no one here to see him.
Okay, so we need to get him the information for the person that he needs to see. So let's look at who the
FAA
public
backup.
relations. So is there a public relations office here? Okay.
Yes, but no.
But they're not here?
Correct.
All right.
Oh, there's only so like when someone comes in for airplane license, you don't walk in. You make an appointment with FSDO. FSDO makes sure they're here, and they marry up and get their stuff. So if he wants to see the PAO, he makes an appointment. They know that they make it agree on a time. They both show up at the same time. Otherwise, everyone works from home.
Hey, Farr.
They're only here one day.
I'll change it up.
We need to get the information. Who's the name of the PIO?
Who's the PO? Yeah. So
That's
we
the way
need to
it's
get him
going.
the information.
Well, there's Bill Meyer. I'm the security guy.
I need to get the PAO's information. Name and contact information.
And also, Farr, I am gonna come inside.
Send this request in and
I'm absolutely going through that.
Good for you.
So let's get that process on, okay?
No.
Why not? Are you denying me access to the building?
Who are you here to see?
I'm not going to tell you that. Are you denying me access to the building?
So, see, it's appointment only. It's escort only.
Farr, I'm going to make this real clear to you. Are you going to deny me access or not?
All right, what are you? Are you my dad?
Are you denying me access or not?
I'm
You're
not-
the security
I'm not saying
person.
anything.
I'm
What
coming
I'm
into the
saying
building, or you're
is-
going to deny me. Which one are you doing?
You have to be escorted.
I don't really. I'm
From
not
wherever
concerned
you
with
go
what the
past
rules
that-
are. What I'm concerned with is I'm going in my building. It's mine.
Yeah? Who's your escort?
I don't really care. You can find whoever you want. Find the janitor.
I'm not here to find an escort for you. You're
I'm not here
tell me
to
who
be
your
told
escort-
that I can't come into my building. So either you're going to deny me access to my building, or you're going to let me inside. You need to figure it out, Farr. Are you going to process me or
So,
not?
let me get this straight. You're telling me what I need to do?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, good for you.
So are you going to prevent me from going in or not?
He needs to be processed in.
Perfect. Welcome to the FAA. Do you have a photo ID?
No, I don't.
Oh,
I'm not going to show you ID.
perfect. Do you have any weapons or explosives?
No.
And who are you here to see?
I'm not answering your questions, Farr.
Oh, what's your name?
We're past that.
Oh, we're past that.
We are.
Who are you here to see?
I'm not going to tell you, Farr.
So exactly who the PAO is going to be, but this person is going to be able to give you the information you need. She is the like one of the executive managers here.
Oh, okay.
I've dealt with her. She's very nice, so she'll
Great.
be able to point you in the right direction for FAA, who the PAO is.
That's
and
awesome.
How to do a FOIA request.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and sign in for me.
Yeah, you bet.
If you have something, write her information down. I'll give it to you.
You know what I'll do?
Put it on a sticky note for you.
Oh, well, I appreciate that. Is that my badge?
Yes,
Okay.
the number down there.
Oh, sure.
Way above our head. We've been getting past 10. I'm not gonna
This
argue.
is the executive manager here for FAA. She'll be able to give you the information on how to get a FOIA request for FAA.
I really appreciate that, Michael.
No problem. Again, I hope you have a good rest of your day.
Yeah, you too, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Where are you going?
Oh, over there?
No, you're not.
Why?
This is the lobby.
Yeah, he can go over there.
No, we can't.
It's not unrestricted area. Will.
It is. It is a restricted area.
It's not restricted.
What says that it's restricted, Farr?
Show me a restricted sign. Show me an employees only sign.
Everywhere you go, you have to be escorted. Every visitor has to be escorted in this building.
In restricted space.
No, in all spaces.
Restricted spaces.
I'm telling you.
But it's,
Hey,
not, on
Farr.
you. It's not on you, Farr. It's not on you.
I get it.
Yeah.
But the FAA says it is escort only.
Okay. In space. Tenant
I-
space.
I'll have the president Boeing here. He can't even go back.
Hey, Farr, watch me. I'm going to walk over
You
there,
can go over there.
and you're not going to do anything about it,
Yeah,
okay?
because you have these guys right here stop. Because you have these guys right here stop.
Whoa, Farr. Think about what you're saying, dude.
You can't-
They're federal law enforcement officers that actually know what they're talking about. You need to stay in your lane.
You really do, Farr.
You got
Not
it?
point at me.
I will point at you. What are you going to do about it?
He can point all he wants, Farr. Dude. If I need to talk to Jerry, I will. But you gotta cut it out at this point, man. I'm telling you, right now, on a contract standpoint, you gotta stop. You gotta go to the loading dock, whatever you need to do. You need to go on a patrol, but you can't be here. Okay?
All right.
Go.
I'll walk with you.
Good, how you doing? Hey, guys, thank you for standing up for my liberty. Seriously, I really
Have a
mean
good
it.
one, man.
Thanks.
You know, the bottom line is the Farrs of this world need to straighten up and fly right. The American people are watching, and thanks to people like Steve from Inland Auditing Media and other auditors, we all have a front row seat where we can scrutinize our public servants who have this nasty habit of acting like tyrannical masters. I'll leave the link to Inland Auditing Media in the description and the pinned comment. If you visit him, tell him Here's the Deal said hi. Leave your thoughts about this for the world and the global thought police in the comments section below. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, the links are in the description. Grab a shirt, become a channel member, but more importantly, fight for your freedoms. If you don't know you have rights, you don't really have them. And those who want to remain ignorant but free desire what never was and what never shall be. I'll see you in the next video.